Welcome to Caleb's Court.
Order in the court! I'm Judge Caleb with Curls. Today we're going to discuss the case of the mom that said video games shouldn't be played till 2 a.m. Guilty. Throw her in jail. Just kidding. It's me, Caleb with Curls. And today we're going to learn about a Black History hero who's very judgy. Get it? No? Okay. You'll get it later. I'll admit, I'm not a huge fan of rules, especially when they get in the way of my game time. But I can also say, in my almost decade of life, that rules are super important, especially when it comes to things like my little cousin touching my things.
Whatever, Caleb.
Well, today's Black History hero is Thurgood Marshall, the first African-American Supreme Court Justice.
What the heck is the Supreme Court?
Well, when our country was first formed, our forefathers, though I'm pretty sure there were more than four and they're not our fathers, wrote a big fat rule book called the U.S. Constitution. The Constitution has all of the rules that we use to run the country. It also has rules to make sure there is law and order. To do that, our government is split into 3 groups or branches: the executive branch, legislative branch, and judicial branch. Kind of like tree politics. We also call them the President's Office, the Congress, and the Supreme Court.
What happened to the Black History hero?
I'm getting there. See, Thurgood Marshall was a justice in the Supreme Court.
Oh.
Thurgood Marshall was born in 1908. Marshall's given name was Thurgood. He shortened it because he didn't like having to spell it. He was twice suspended for pranking and hazing other students. One time, punishment for a prank, his high school principal made him read the U.S. Constitution and saw there were no black people in it. His high school principal made him read the U.S. Constitution for the first time, which talks about equal rights. He wanted to go to his hometown law school at University of Maryland, but he didn't even apply because they didn't allow black people to attend. Instead, my man graduated #1 in his class at Howard University School of Law. He worked as a lawyer for the advancement of colored people, the NAACP. That's where he fought to overturn laws that took away people's civil rights. The case he's most famous for is called Brown versus Board of Education. That court case is why today have to be allowed to go to public school together and be taught together in the same classroom with the same teacher. Equal rights. Thank you, Mr. Thurgood. After winning 29 out of 32 cases in the Supreme Court, President Johnson picked him to be in the Supreme Court because he served on the Supreme Court from 1967 until 1991.
That's it?
One more thing. Remember when I told you that he didn't apply to the University of Maryland because they didn't allow black students to attend? Well, guess who their law library is named after? Thurgood Marshall's life shows that he loved the law, loved his fellow man, and loved African Americans. Court is adjourned. Don't forget to subscribe because you don't want to miss another video. Keep it legal till we meet again. But remember, Big Brother's always watching. Clarence Thomas became the second Supreme Court Justice.
Black person.
Wait, why is he in there?
Okay, let's not put him in there. I agree.
That's our question.
Don't forget to subscribe.